but we don't want this hello world. Instead we can do is, actually let's close this navbar. Instead of this hello world, let's make a table. So go to Bootstrap, search for table. I think inside content we have tables. Yes, it is. Okay, let's get the first one. Let me copy this table and paste it here as well. Actually, let me take it inside a container class. So div class will be container. This container class is coming for Bootstrap, so don't worry. Actually, we need to copy this table once again, paste it here and save it. Let's reload the page. It should look like a table. Yes, it is looking like a table. Let's first, this one should be serial number, second one will be name, third column will be club, last column will be ID. Okay, the name, those will get from the database. So let's do it. To getting it from the database, we need to pass inside our view engine EJS. To pass inside our view engine, whatever result we get, we need to pass inside this render index. Okay, so to pass it, we need to do like this. This is the variable name. You can name anything you want. I am naming it docs, and result, this should not be 0, this should be only result. So let's do it. Yeah, it's working perfectly. I need to loop through all the items. So actually let's make it more sensible. Let's set the variable with name of layers, so it is more sensible. And in index.ejs, since we are rendering this index.ejs, okay, we can use that variable inside this file. Okay, so let's do it. At first we need to give a less than and greater than sign. In between them two percentage sign. In here we need to create a loop. Layers, it was the name of our variable. Layers dot for each, and in here we need to create a callback function. The callback function variable will be layer, no plural number, this is a singular number. Okay, and in here actually we need to close this starting less than and percentage. In here we need to close it, and we need to start it once again in here. Okay, in between them we can write some HTML. So let's do it. Actually this thing should be inside tr tag, Control X tr. Okay, and in here there will be a td tag. Inside td will have a player dot, actually this should be inside less than and greater than 2 percentage sign and on dash. Okay, player dot, first one is serial number. Actually let's keep this on. Second one is name. Let me copy this and paste it below. This is for club and this is for ID. Club, and last one is for ID. How do we get serial number? Actually, we can set the index of our array, so let's do it. Let me paste it here as well. Instead of player, we can set another variable in here, player index, p index comma plus 1. p index index on of any array start with 0, so we need to count from 1 for serial number. So let's do it. Index plus 1, it will start with 1. Okay, so let's check it out on your browser, reload the page. It's looking perfect, but something went wrong. We need to make it vertically aligned, so I think this tr tag should be in here. Control X, Control V. Okay, Control X and Control V. Once again save it and reload the page. Yes, it's working perfectly now. You see serial number, name, club and ID. Let's make the table dark. Table dark.